Enjoy a refreshing shower outdoors with the WADEO portable camping shower. It features an intelligent digital display showing water temperature and battery level, making it easy to use. Equipped with a 6,000 mAh rechargeable battery, it runs for up to 120 minutes. The collapsible bucket holds 20 liters of water, perfect for quick showers or dishwashing. Lightweight and compact, this kit is easy to carry and assemble. A versatile shower for camping, hiking, or emergency use. Be prepared for emergencies with the Vriexsd First Aid Kit. Packed with 400 essential items, it includes bandages, an emergency blanket, and a guide for minor injuries. The kit's compact design with labeled compartments ensures quick access in emergencies. Lightweight and portable, it's ideal for outdoor adventures or home use. Made of waterproof polyester fabric, it protects contents from water damage. A must-have for families, hikers, and campers for reliable first aid care anytime. Keep your drinks and food cool with the RTIC Soft Cooler. This insulated cooler maintains cold temperatures for up to 24 hours and even floats, making it perfect for lakes and pools. It's lightweight yet durable, with a heavy-duty nylon shell. Available in multiple sizes, it features leak-proof zippers and a 1.5-inch foam layer. Whether for camping, road trips, or picnics, this cooler offers top-notch portability and functionality to keep your refreshments chilled. The Kelty Waypoint Tarp is your ultimate outdoor protection. Covering over 120 square feet, it shields you from sun, rain, and wind. Designed for festivals, beaches, and camping, it's easy to mount on most vehicles with roof racks or tailgates. Crafted from durable polyester, it's built to withstand tough conditions. Included are a steel pole, stakes, and a carry duffel for easy portability. Stay prepared for any weather with this versatile camping essential. Experience efficient and eco-friendly cooking with a solo stove Lite. Its patented design creates clean gasification and secondary combustion for less smoke. Lightweight and compact, it boils water quickly in just 8 to 10 minutes. It uses free natural fuels like twigs, saving you money on gas canisters. Made of stainless steel, it's durable and perfect for hiking or camping. Enjoy a portable and convenient cooking solution with this award-winning outdoor gear. Power your adventures with the DaranEner Portable Power Station. With a 300-watt output, 179 watt-hour capacity, and multiple charging options, it's perfect for camping or emergencies. It features 7 ports to power devices like phones, lights, and small appliances. Equipped with advanced safety features and a long-lasting lithium battery, it's reliable and durable. The built-in LED flashlight offers steady light and SOS modes. Compact and lightweight, it's your ultimate power backup for outdoor use. Cook outdoors with the versatile VEVOR folding campfire grill. Crafted from durable steel, it's heat-resistant up to 572 degrees Fahrenheit. The dual grill and griddle design accommodates various cooking styles, perfect for grilling meat or cooking pancakes. Compact and portable, it folds flat for easy storage and includes a carrying bag for convenience. Whether camping, hiking, or picnicking, this campfire grill delivers reliable performance for all your outdoor cooking needs. Relax anywhere with the ENO SingleNest Hammock. This lightweight hammock weighs only 16 ounces but supports up to 400 pounds. Perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. Made from durable nylon with triple-stitched seams, it's breathable and built to last. Easy to set up with compatible straps and accessories, it's ideal for hiking, camping, or beach trips. Tree-friendly and responsibly made, this hammock is perfect for anyone seeking comfort and sustainability outdoors. Carry all your essentials with the Night Cat Backpack. With a 70-liter capacity and multiple compartments, it keeps your items organized for outdoor adventures. The ergonomic design features padded shoulder straps and a breathable back panel for comfort. Adjustable belts ensure a perfect fit for all body types. Made from tear-resistant nylon fabric, it's durable and includes a rain cover for extra protection. Perfect for hiking, climbing, or camping trips in any weather. Experience ultimate versatility with the Tapirus Spork Tactical, a multifunctional tool perfect for camping, hiking, or fishing. It features a long-handle spork that doubles as a stainless steel serrated knife and includes a fire starter rod. Made from durable BPA-free plastic and stainless steel, it is lightweight, dishwasher safe, and easy to carry. With its convenient paracord and case, this Spork combines practicality with portability, making it an essential addition to your outdoor gear. Stay powered anywhere with the BLAVOR Solar Charger Power Bank. Designed for outdoor enthusiasts, it features USB-C fast charging and Qi wireless compatibility, charging up to 3 devices simultaneously. Built with a lithium-cobalt battery, it delivers long-lasting power with a 10,000 mAh capacity. Its compact, waterproof, and shockproof design includes dual flashlights and a compass, ensuring reliability in outdoor adventures. This portable charger is the perfect companion for staying connected while exploring nature. Protect your gear and yourself with Sawyer Premium Permethrin Spray, ideal for outdoor activities like camping and hunting. It bonds to fabrics, remaining effective through 6 weeks or 6 washes. This insect repellent is safe for clothing, tents, and sleeping bags, guarding against ticks, mosquitoes, and over 55 other insects. Lightweight and fragrance-free, it withstands sweat and water, providing essential protection for all your outdoor adventures without damaging your gear.